Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I'm just going to tell you some answers of what are being actually frequently asked to me in my DMs or through my WhatsApp. So many people right now are seeing me as an emotional intelligence coach. They have started asking me that why you are studying or lecturing about emotional intelligence. Sounds fun because I really wanted to answer these questions. Emotional intelligence is not something that you usually hear or learn in your school. It is something that actually is taught to the corporate trainers, more so the leaders. Yes, the successful people need this training in order to understand every aspect of their life, in order to bring out all the positive factors in their life, in order to remove all the negative factors in their life. Because if you are continuously positive, you will strive for continuous better work, thus you will get more production, more efforts out of any strength you put in your work, and thus huge results. So if you are struggling to become a good person, a good human being, or you're struggling to get a job, this is a 21st century skill, a 21st century hack that is majorly anticipated and recommended by the World Economic Forum. So this is not exactly a skill that is still taught to the school students or the college students. So I thought, why can't I bring this, which is highly anticipated in the world, why can't I bring this down to the very people who are listening to me? Why don't they add some value to their lives while they listen to any such videos? When we scroll through our Instagram feed, we see many friends publishing their photos, publishing some kind of funny videos, or publishing some of the marketing strategies and tools, but very few people are doing this emotional intelligence part. Not only our mental health has a tremendous pressure right now in this type of COVID-19 situation, but also after this COVID-19 pandemic really gets over, I don't know when, but after it gets over, the series of implications that will follow will be very hard for us to cope up. That is why if you start learning this skill right now, it will be 1,000 times more easier for you than anyone else who have not learned this skill. And believe me guys, everything I say has given me so much of value, so I thought, why not give it back to the world? The first thing is that emotional intelligence largely rules our personal space and thus can be extrapolated towards our professional space as well. You will have increased optimism. You will have stronger personal relationships with anyone in your life, be it your partner, be it your parents, be it your friends, or even your team members. You will have magnetic personality. A highly emotionally intelligent person not only brushes his skills for making his work more productive, the person will be so magnetic and so bright in his everyday life that everyone would want to befriend him or her. And thus you will have better mental health. Who doesn't want a better mental health? Who wants to live with depression? I don't think you want. So emotional intelligence will be the one hack which will give you all these better qualities that you may lack in your life right now. In your professional self also, you would become an effective leader. If you are starting your own business, if you are already doing some work, or you are in a job, or even if you are a student, leadership skill is one such thing that if it is present in your resume looks much more brighter. People will start to provide you more responsibilities, and with more responsibilities comes more power. So how to handle responsibilities is the one main thing that can be taught easily by emotional intelligence. It also helps us understand all the types of communication issues we may face, and thus it helps us to become a very fluent communicator. Have you seen changes in me? Those who know me personally, I used to fumble when I used to talk, but now I am a brilliant communicator and I have all the growth mindset in me because I have learned emotional intelligence. The third thing that helps you in your professional life is problem solving. Every professional life will go through huge challenges or problems, and once you become a tremendously beautiful problem solver with a huge magnetic personality, I mean, that is the most important win-win situation you can ever dream in your life. And the fourth thing is increased likelihood of your promotion. Yeah, as I told you, if you check emotional intelligence and how it is recommended by the World Economic Forum, you will see that if you put emotional intelligence on your resume, that you have added it as a skill, many people will actually consider you in better positions than anyone else. This is actually a true skill. This is actually highly anticipated by today's leaders. Companies like Facebook, Google, companies like Instagram, PayPal, or even other IT companies or products and services, they all require people in top positions with high EQ, not the high IQ personnel actually. So if you have better problem solving skills in your life, if you have better human to human connection ability in your life, if you are someone who can attract people towards their company, you will win big time and you will get easily promoted in whatever job you are doing. So that is why, guys, emotional intelligence becomes so important to every one of us, even if you are doing a job or even if you have started your own company or your own work. So guys, those of you who really had an apprehension about what exactly is this and why am I following this or why am I listening to all these things, please remember this is a skill that you can be proud of once you understand it fully. And to understand it, you basically need to pay me 0.00 over here, because I am actually telling you all this for free. So guys, that's all for this video today. Thank you all for listening to me up till now. I hope that all of you have understood how important is this to have a brilliant intelligence, and that is not exactly the intelligence quotient I'm talking about IQ. I'm talking about the EQ, which is the new IQ your parents was proud of. So that's it, guys. Take care. Bye bye from my side. Bye bye.